Hello friends, this is your one and only Priyanka. We are here at Women's Wall and wearing a mask is compulsory as we have this new strain of coronavirus that is spreading. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mind Haven, and today after many days I and my friend Pavan
Hello
are,
guys.
are back with another video. To stay tuned to more of my videos and to get notifications, just subscribe to the bell icon and keep listening to us and keep talking to us. Okay, so Pavan will tell us what is the topic for today's video, but I'll just give you a hint about it. It is already the 28th, right? It is already the 28th of December today, and I think it is time that we should talk about the
New Year
New Year.
resolutions.
So yes, we'll be talking more about our 2021, and why not just talk about New Year resolutions? So I'm
Yes.
sure that every year before the New Year, this is one topic that you talk about
Discuss
and
about
discuss with
everything.
your friends,
Yes.
that what should we do in the New Year, things
Next
that we
year.
have not done correctly in the old year, and we sort of introspect a lot. We plan our goals and get many things. I even bought my planner for 2021 for that case. So let's just talk about them. So Peta will start, means Peta Pavan will start telling us about his New Year resolutions and aspirations. Okay, Pavan.
See, whatever I've done, whatever we
Which is
have,
nothing. He
it
has
is,
not done anything.
yeah, done nothing.
Done
Okay.
nothing in 2020. I know
Why?
about
Because
him. Yeah, really don't move the phone much. I know about it. Yeah.
we already had Corona and we are sitting in homes most of the time.
We were not sitting, of
Not we
course.
were not. Why? Because we were moving to doctors and making
We
doctor
are
calls and
healthcare
everything.
people,
Yes.
so we were
So we
working.
don't.
Yes.
Yeah, we don't have time also and no leaves also much.
Yeah. And talk about
And
resolutions. Yeah.
thing is that I'm thinking in the next year I would have get good how to earn money, lots of money,
Okay.
and to get savings also, like to save something now. As
Okay.
age also
Good
increases,
point.
like
I also want to say.
when we are growing now, we have to save something. If we are not saving at certain point, like one point, uh, we will be having like difficulties. Okay, matlab, means we don't know what are the difficulties we get. Okay, so that we need some savings.
So Corona has in fact
Yeah.
done this thing. The poor have become poorer. The rich have of course become richer. And
Yes.
there are many people who are facing many problems which were not expected. And yes, life is always like that, unexpected. So Pawan has a point that maybe we should save more in 2021. Now I will tell one of my resolutions, which is to be more quiet. So what I want to be is more of a quiet person. Uh, I don't regard quietness or patience as a virtue, or being aggressive as a vice, but it is just a personal choice. I wish to concentrate and focus more on my things and turn more inwards. So that is my personal choice. I'd like to be more of a quiet person. So it means that I'll be maybe less on social media, or I'll be more focused towards things that I want to do maybe. So Beta, what's your next resolution?
Next resolution is like make my parents happy.
So
Why?
Peta wants to make his parents happy, okay?
Yes, obviously. Why? Because they have done a hard work
Hmm.
in growing me and everything. They have spent lots of money and everything.
Okay.
So I should make them happy and give them some time to relax.
Okay. Okay,
Relax.
so my resolution is somewhat different. I want to find inner peace and contentment. So I want it to be more about myself, because only when I am happy I can make the people in my surroundings happy, is what I believe in. Also, you cannot give the gift of happiness to anybody. I am just thinking about the times when people say that you make me happy, she makes me happy. It is like friending. When you are in love or you have friends, he makes me happy, she makes me happy. It is nothing like that. Happiness is a state which you need to achieve. So I just want to
Yes.
set some small goals, also health goals, happiness goals, activities that I love doing. So I will definitely take up activities that I love doing and activities that really make me happy as a person, because I have realized in the past few days that only when you are at peace with your own self, then you can treat everybody better. So I think I need to do some work there, that I need to turn inwards and spend time with things that make me happy, that bring contentment to me and then to people. And it will, of course, include making YouTube videos, no doubt, no doubt on that. Okay. Next is yours, Peta.
Yeah. Next is like not to believe much people in the
Acha,
next
he
year.
won't believe much people, he will only believe me, nothing else.
Yes. Why? Because thing is that I've had a hard situations with many of the people who had
Hmm.
have met in the
So
Delhi.
this happens with many people. So, but this is not my resolution actually. I tend to be more affected when trusted people break your trust or do things like that. But I am very open, so I wish I can still believe in every person the way I used to do. So I want to give my trust and faith to everyone whom I cross paths with in 2021. So I am very open about it. Let's see what else, Pawan.
That's it. Nothing else.
These
Why?
are your only resolutions. Okay, so I want to learn a new skill maybe in 2021. So as we grow up and we start earning, the learning part becomes less, and we end up being frustrated because we are not learning, but we don't even realize it. So I think my skill sets are a little less. So I was always fond of learning about digital marketing. I don't know if I'll be able to make it in 2021, but
You
maybe
can
I
make.
learn. But maybe I'll learn some drawing and painting. I'll get better at those, or maybe I'll get better at just making YouTube videos or anything that I learn. Anything that it's not just about learning. Means learning is a hyped word. I want to do something that I like and find more interests of mine. Maybe that is the correct thing. That I want to find more things that I like. Like I want to reconnect with reading, and I was not a non-fiction reader for a long time in the past. So I think I should connect with that. I should connect with reading non-fiction, and maybe I should also interact more with you people. Anything else, Pavan?
Um, Nothing else.
Also, I want to spend some more time with my family. I think in 2020, not just my family but my friends, because in 2020 I could not spend time, and also these loneliness issues, anxiety issues, these increased during the pandemic, and due to the lack of physical presence and physical touch, there were many people who felt isolated. And it increased the crime rate, it increased the mental health issues, the suicide rate, and everything in 2020. So I think
If you say
to
that,
cover that up, maybe it's time to just reconnect with the people in your life and see that none of them has a hard time ahead.
as you
Yes,
said that you have to stay with your parents, and
I am
I
just
am,
talking about
yeah,
reconnecting
yeah.
with everybody, not just one
But
thing.
I'm like away from my
So
parents
you
and
go home,
staying.
leave your job, go home. Who cares? Nobody.
Or you have to doing something, right? Like whatever the opportunity we have got, we have to catch them, and then
Catch, fly. No
we have
opportunity
to
is flying.
fly.
You catch.
Okay, we have to go on like that.
Acha, yes, now I remember I also want to involve myself in some sport. I don't know how it is possible, but maybe 1 hour a week, 2 hours a week, I'd love to play like pool.
Yes, you
I
can.
When I was playing there, we just went out, so I realized that I do like playing. So maybe that, and some activities which are not so productive in that time, means they don't give us money. I want to indulge in those activities like, yes, drawing, painting maybe, and not singing. I'm not good at singing, but yes, I used to write lyrics in my college time. So overall, I want to reconnect with my own self, and then after that only want to reconnect with the world around me. So it means my major goal in 2021 is to focus on my mental health, basically
That's
my
good.
health, well-being, happiness, and then the happiness of everybody around me. Anything you want to add, Pavan?
That's best.
Okay, so this is all about our New Year resolutions. If you have already set your New Year resolutions, just comment down in the section which is there, and I will definitely read all of them. I will reply to them. And if you want to talk to me about your New Year resolutions, just connect with me on my Instagram account, which is at the rate author underscore Priyanka Sahani. Sahani is SAWHNEY. And for more of our weekly content and videos on topics like self love, self care, mental health, rising in life, and all of these acceptance and these some issues, just stay connected with us on my YouTube channel Mind Haven. And a very happy new year in advance
Be
to all of
safe
you.
and be healthy.
Be safe, be healthy. Bye bye.
Bye bye.